Let me show you non-Muslims a great sign of Allah through the raining and this roof. Look at how the raining is coming from the sky right here. And the raining is coming on the earth, but it is shaping the name of Allah right here in front of me. And I am recording this to share with you so that you can embrace the Islam, the truth of the religion Islam. The existence of Allah is proven through this raining because Allah is shaping this name into his Arabic name. Like you can see the name of Allah written through the tree. With the name of Allah you can see right in front of you. The same way, this is the name of Allah in Arabic. You look at this and this. And if you say this is coincidence, this is not coincidence. Let me explain you how. If the raining is dropping here and you say it is not dropping here because there is something. Okay, let me show you. This is the solar plate. If the solar plate is stopping this, then why solar plate is not stopping this? If solar is stopping this, why not stopping this? If it's stopping this, why not stopping this? Now this was like that, but now not anymore because I am recording. My Urdu recording has been done and I am showing you English recording. So now it's getting wet. Okay, now if you look at this, it's getting wet as well. I hope so, I think so, because I think something is happening. Allah is changing the direction of the wind or whatever, and the direction of the raining as well. And it is a clear demonstration. If you look at the photo as well, it's a clear demonstration. It is being done on a purpose. Before Allah poured down the water, so it shaped the name of Allah, and now He is pouring down water to remove the name of Allah. Because several times He has done it in different artistic style. He write His name on this roof and then He wipe it out through the raining. It is done so many times. I have shared it on my YouTube channel, Urdu channel, Legend Muhammadﷺ. But now you are witnessing this on the English YouTube channel, Legend 𝘠𝘩𝘓. So look at this. It's fine. You see this? Witness this miracle of Allah. He is removing it. And it's also getting removed a bit. So it is not happening by itself. If it was happening naturally, it should also happen here. But this whole earth is wet. This whole earth is very wet. Look at this. How much water has been there? So why there was no water? Because Allah did not do so. He controls the raining and water. And He controls the direction where water should come. When He changed the winds and direction, everything changed. And let me share with you one more thing. It is mind-blowing. This leaf is not getting broken through the winds and the powers. Nothing is broken it. For a long time, Allah destroyed all the leaves of this plant. He recreated all the new leaves. Even the new leaves has come to almost the size of the new one. These are very brand new. But this old one, with the condition you can see, it is still not broken. This is not a magic. This is the power of Allah. Through the leaf that even not a leaf can be broken through the winds and storms and raining unless it is the will of Allah. So He is Allah. He is your Lord. He is the Lord of the wind, Lord of the winds, Lord of the raining, Lord of the universe. Worship Him and don't worship false and fabricated gods. If He intend to wipe out the water, He can do it anytime as well. Now look at this. The place that was having a lot of water before, now it's a wipe here, right here. Now look at again, it's wipe, and this is also wiped. And the same thing again happened at the time of ending of my lecture. Allahu Akbar.